Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the best VPN to use in the UAE. The UAE government has been known to have restrictive internet policies and online surveillance. Various apps like Skype, WhatsApp, and other streaming services are blocked. So if you're living in the UAE or will be visiting soon, it's always great to have a VPN handy with you. Today I'll show you how to use ExpressVPN to bypass restrictions in the UAE and keep your data protected. Note that I've also added links in the video description below so you can access the best deals available. A VPN can help you bypass blocked content and apps in the UAE by creating a secure connection between your device and a server located outside of the UAE. Out of all of the VPNs we've tested, we believe that ExpressVPN is the best because of its features. They have 3,000 plus servers across different countries, reliable security protocols like network lock and split tunneling, not to mention their lightning fast speeds. Let me show you how it works. So as you know, WhatsApp is inaccessible in the UAE. Now let's launch the ExpressVPN app here. As you can see, the user interface is very intuitive. You can also see that there's a lot of servers to choose from. At the moment, they have about 3,000 plus servers across 94 locations. Let's pick a server where WhatsApp is available. So let's connect to the US server by clicking here, and you'll know it's already connected because the button will turn green after a few seconds. To test it, download WhatsApp from the App Store and log in. Enter your phone number and click Next through the sign-in process. Now you can use WhatsApp seamlessly from anywhere. ExpressVPN's geo-blocking bypass capabilities are also excellent. ExpressVPN can also unblock popular streaming services like Netflix, BBC iPlayer, DAZN, Sky Sports, HBO, and more. Netflix is heavily limited due to UAE laws. Compared to the US's 8,000 movies and TV shows, the UAE only has 786 titles available. With ExpressVPN, you simply have to connect to any server in the US, and this will allow you to access the US Netflix library. Another great thing about ExpressVPN is its security features. ExpressVPN has a no-logs policy that hides your online activity from local UAE ISP, government, and hackers. Even if the connection drops, the local network lock will do its work and block all internet traffic. You simply just have to enable the network lock settings here. Lastly, ExpressVPN has a free trial backed by their 30-day money-back guarantee, which means you don't have to risk your money if you're unsatisfied with their service. You can simply request a refund via their 24/7 chat support. And that's all for today. Don't forget to check the description below for exclusive deals and discounts. Thanks for watching.